Hey, this is Mr. Engstrom. Let's take a look at day 4, probabilities using Venn diagrams. Let's take a look at this example. Police report that 78% of drivers stopped on suspicion of drunk driving are given a breath test, 36 a blood test, and 22% both tests. What is the probability that a randomly selected DWI suspect is given? And then we got some questions to answer. First thing I want you to notice is that 78% plus 36% plus 22%, that's bigger than 100. So where's the mess up? There actually isn't one. It just tells you that they're not disjoint probabilities. Okay, so we have some overlap. And one really good way to do this is to draw a picture. So we're going to draw a Venn diagram. There's our Venn diagram. Okay. So we're going to take a look at this right here. 22% both tests. We're going to put this right here. This is 0.22. There's our 22% both test. Okay. So my blue circle over here, let's put that, that's going to be the breath test. And then the green one is going to be the blood test. And some people are given both. Okay, so let's see if we can fill in the rest here. All right, so it says 78% of the drivers stopped are given a breath test. So that's in our blue circle here. Okay, so 78%. So if we take 78%, we subtract 22%, we get 56%. So 56% go here. Okay. Now the blood. 36% get a blood test. Okay. So in this whole green circle here is 36%. But part of the green circle is this overlap here, 0.22. So to get the rest, what we would do is we'd take 36% minus 22% and get 14%. And so there's 14% right there. And then what we notice is that 56% plus 22% plus 14% is 92%. Well, that's not 100% either. So what that tells us is that 8% weren't given a test. Okay? We're not given a test. So let's answer some questions here. So in number 1, it says, what's the probability that they were given a test? Well, the probability that they weren't given a test, 8%. So that means 92% is the answer there. Number 2, what's the probability that they were given a blood test or a breath test, but not both? Okay, so that's an important part of this one. Okay, so, or, that means we're going to add. So that means blood test, but not both. So we're ignoring that 22%. So just blood, that's 14%, right? Plus just breath, 0.56, so 56% plus 14, and that's going to give me a 0.7, right? Or 70%. So number 3, neither test. Well, I think we already answered that. That is 8%. Okay, so take a look at the next one in your notes. The next one in your notes is a practice problem. Okay, so do A, B, and C. Work hard, read your book, make sure that you like your answers, because I want to see them when you get to class tomorrow. Have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow.